My name is David Allen, and I've got an idea for a project. I have been thinking for a couple of years now about writing a book that's about community. Professionally, my work is in open source communities and in communities around technical products. But I don't want to limit it to just communities that are associated with tech companies. I mean community in a much more broader sense. That could include local churches, Boy Scouts, the Rotary Club, any kind of human, primarily volunteer or organization-based community. And I'd like your help. So here's a crazy idea. What if instead of creating a book that was about community, just simply describing it, we could create a book about community that is driven by community and where we source the information using community? So I'm going to create a repo and I'm going to put this video in it as the very first. I might go back and re-record it later. We'll see. And I'd like for you to consider contributing. You can contribute anything related to community that you're interested in by simply opening a PR request against this repo. Check out the instructions. Uh, the goal here is to assemble a huge base of information that's curated and driven by the community about how communities function and operate. If there's a blog post or a video that you really respect, please contribute that so that others can see it. Now, later on, I have some ideas about how we might use LLMs to crunch all of this information down into something a little bit more manageable. At the beginning, it's probably going to start off as a link farm with a lot of resources that are a little bit out of context. But I've got some ideas for how we might be able to summarize and surface that information in a theme or a topic format and then publish it via GitHub pages. If this sounds like an interesting idea to you, please share this repo with anybody else who you think might be interested in it and consider opening a pull request. Thanks.